Welcome back to Witchcraft with Claire. This time last week I announced I was doing a lunar planting experiment with my tomatoes, and today we are following up with part 2 of that experiment. This is how the first batch is looking so far, with all 3 of the shimmer tomato poking through, but no sign of the tumbling tom just yet. Now, for the sake of consistency, I've used the same vessel and the same type of compost to plant the same tomato seeds in, and I've scheduled it so I'm planting them no more than a week apart. There's not really that much difference in terms of how much growing time they'll have had when it comes to weighing the amount of fruit I get off each plant. So the first group I planted last week was my lunar group, and I specifically planted them on the 8th of March because the moon was in its waxing phase, and the astrological sign was Cancer, which is apparently a very fertile sign. Now, a week later, the moon is no longer in its waxing phase, and I've got no idea what the astrological sign is, but I know it's not a fertile one. And at the end of the season, I'll compare like for like on how we've done. Sorry, I've got to go and stir my cauldron.